This is the Jeep I've been working on. Currently, what the hell? Currently it doesn't run, but I'm sure it will. Jake, stop, dude. What the hell? Come on. Bud. Oh my. This dog. Where are you going, dude? Okay, hi, bud. There we go. Jake. Oh my. This is dog. You're tangling yourself up here, bud. Oh my. You're the weirdest dog, dude. Alright. Are you a mechanic?
I'm a mechanic.
So this is my inline 6. Last time I drove it, it kind of went kaplooey. Hopefully we'll be able to put a new engine in it. Then we'll get this thing running again. I need to put new tires on it, but Jake, get in. My boy, get in. We'll just make a window up. It's cold. Oh boy. You are not leaving, dog. You are not leaving. No, you are not. No, you are not, dog. What do you think you are? A man or a mouse? Nay. Stop it. Stop it. You. What are you doing? There's nothing back there, you fool.
What? A particular
for
Raberditch Cavern. Kashmirga.
Benjica Labber. No, you stay here, dude. There. Stay. Stay, boy. You mustn't. You shan't. Oh, buddy. Which one is it?
Jingle, 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 dangle, dingle, dangle, dangle, dingle, dingle, jingle, jangle. It's okay.
Yeah. I'm having a hard time getting it in.
I'm having a hard time getting it in.
Okay. Now my key's stuck. Hold on. Brain aneurysm.
FBI, open up!
What? Plastic. Light switch. Plastic. Backpack. Computer. Do you have a light? I do.
Corporate called. You're fired.
Oh dear. Anyways. This is the Chrysler inline 6. And you can tell because it's in a line of 6. This one's bored out. So the other one was a 4.0, a 4 liter. This one is a 4.6 or something. K&N filter. K&N is such a good brand. But this is the new engine that's gonna go in there. This is my motorcycle. And that is a bigger Chrysler engine for a truck. It's gonna go in a Dodge. And that is a deer. Oh dear. Corporate called, you are fired. Anyways. Ow, my hand. Freaking staples. Am I right, chat, or am I right, chat? Beep, boop, beep, bop, beep, beep. All right. My work here is done. Yeah. All right. This is a washing machine. It washes things, and right there. This is a hound cage for the back of the truck, and this is a hound. This is a bicycle. This is a shop furnace. This is a bandsaw that I'm going to sell very soon. And that is a 2008 Toyota Corolla. And it sucks so much ass that we are going to give it to a trash yard because we don't have a title for it. This is a $500 Dodge truck. It's so goated with the sauce.
Is he goated with the sauce?
That over there is an ambulance. Dude, why are you always in my spot? Yeah.